We have 4 plus 6 divided by 3 whole divided by 2. Okay, 4 plus 6 equals 10 and divided by 3 whole divided by 2. Now 10 divided by 3 equals 3.33 and divided by 2. Now 3.33 divided by 2 equals 1.66. But this is wrong. Why? Because we always solve division before addition in the numerator. So first solve 6 divided by 3, right? So 4 plus 6 divided by 3 equals 2, right? And whole divided by 2. Now the fraction becomes 4 plus 2 whole divided by 2. So add in numerator. 4 plus 2 equals 6 divided by 2. Right? Now we have 6 divided by 2. So divide 6 divided by 2 equals 3.